to use Total Jobs. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Total Jobs to find jobs for yourself, or if you are an employee or an employee, how you will be able to use it quite properly. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for totaljobs.com and you will be landed to the official website of Total Jobs, where on the home screen you will be able to see two different options. So if you are a recruiter or someone that you want to hire people for your company, so you just have to simply click on the advertise now. And if you are an employee and you are looking for a job on your totaljobsite.com, just simply click on register CV. So it really depends on what your needs are. So for example, you are a job seeker and you are looking for a job on your Total Job account. So all you have to do is just simply click on register CV right here from the right hand side of the window. Just simply tap on it, or on the home screen you will be able to see the option called job title, skill or company, town, city and postal code. For your convenience, the Total Job has also provided you to enter your skills that you have, and you can also enter the city that you are living currently right now, and after that you can go ahead and search for the jobs that you are looking for. And if you don't want to do that, you just have to simply click on register CV from the top right of the window, and over here you just have to mention your first name, your surname, email address, and just simply upload your CV right here, and just enter your current and most recent job that you have worked for, along with the job position or the profession you are working in, and your current most recent salary, your annual package, daily and hourly salary that you are possessing on there, and just create a password for yourself and confirm the password and click on submit. And after that you will be registered on Total Jobs website as someone who is looking for a job. And as soon as a recruiter see your profile and their requirement matches your CV, they will contact you through your contact that you have provided in your CV or the register that you have done. And if you are a recruiter or you are looking to hire someone, just simply click on advertise now and create an advertise and list down all the things that you would want from your employee to work for. And you can also just mention all the details or the requirement that you are looking for in your employee that you are looking for. So this is basically how you will use Total Jobs. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.